Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps and searching the address or dropping a pin. This gets you to the exact spot faster. Once found, make sure to zoom to street level so imagery loads. On desktop, drag the yellow pegman, and on mobile, tap the photo thumbnail if present. Doing this forces Street View to activate, so you see ground-level photos instead of the map. This first step is critical because Street View only appears where photos exist, and locating coverage saves time. Once in Street View, you control movement and perspective. Drag the view or swipe to look around and reorient yourself. Then, use on-screen arrows or double tap to step along the blue route. This simulates walking down the street and reveals successive panoramic photos. On desktop, keyboard arrows move you. On mobile, pinch to zoom or use the on-screen controls to change focal length. Make sure to scan cross streets and recognizable landmarks so you can confirm orientation and plan your next steps confidently. To finish, exit Street View with the close button and use Share to copy the exact link or coordinates. That preserves the precise orientation and image. If you need the same view later, save the link or drop a pin in your saved places. If imagery is missing or outdated, try satellite view, refresh, or update the app. Sometimes coverage is limited. If things still fail, use Report a Problem. This notifies Google about missing or blurred imagery and can prompt an update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.